Student will click on the login button of Slate website. To log in, student have to log in with their credentials that has been given to them. They will be seeing this type of dashboard. From dashboard itself, they can see upcoming classes of today classes, and there will be two buttons. One is ongoing and second is scheduled. Similar as you can see here. Moreover, you can go to the courses option. Then you can click on the classes. All the courses will be displayed for the student. You can click on classes, and in classes you can see one ongoing, which is currently happening. Teacher is available in this class, and second is scheduled. Even after the class is started and students are not able to see this ongoing option, they just have to click refresh, but that will be a very rare case. Next, student have to just click on the ongoing button. As soon as student clicks on that button, they have to wait for a couple of seconds so that the classroom that teacher have started will be displayed. Second most important thing, allow and block option in top left hand side. You have to click allow button so that your audio can be transmitted to the teacher. Next, it's an testing echo. You have to just thumbs up if you are able to hear yourself. As soon as you reach this page, you have opened the complete class environment. Whenever teacher will ask you to speak up, you have to just click unmute option in the below three buttons. And if teacher have given you permission to switch on your camera, this camera option will be displayed and you can click and show your camera. As soon as the teacher ends the class, this kind of end session message will be displayed. Student have this means the teacher have ended his session. He have to just click OK and close this window, and that's it. As soon as the class is ended, he can see that ongoing class is now ended. Now coming back to the courses, the teachers will be uploading study materials, and those study material you can get in the file option. You just have to click file option and all the study materials will be displayed over here. You can click download option and the study material will be downloaded. Second, yeah, as you can see in the bottom, the file has been downloaded. Second, similarly, you can click on assignment option. All the assignment that has been uploaded by faculty will be displayed over here. Second, you can just click on this download option. The file will be downloaded. You can study that file, and once your assignment is completed, you just have to click submit. Here you have to just select the file that you want to submit to teacher. It can be PDF, it can be doc file, and click on submit. As soon as you click on submit, your assignment will be submitted to the faculty, to the teacher, and they can see it. Now once you have uploaded, you won't be getting another option to upload any assignments. So whenever you do, you click only once. Now in many cases, the faculty can take a combined class. Now when the combined class comes, that won't be displayed along with the classes, because this class is basically based on the sections that you belong to. But whenever faculty wish to take any combined class, those classes will be displayed in all classes. Even if it is not a combined class, all your classes can be displayed over here. Also in the dashboard you can see your ongoing and next scheduled classes. It's a if it's a combined class, the combined class will be displayed. If it's a class for only your section, it will be displayed over here. Rest, in the message option, you can also see all those messages that your faculty is sending you. This message also includes if the class has been cancelled or rescheduled. Those messages will also be displayed over here. In the assignment option, all those assignment will be displayed in which you haven't submitted yet. Similarly, the latest course material will be displayed in the course material section. So that's all for the student panel. Thank you.